All right, guys, today we got a Mazda CX5, and I'm going to show you guys how to change the rear wiper blade. So if you do want to get the wiper blade, it was hard for me to find. This is the guy right here. There's a couple of numbers here if you guys want to pick this up. So what we're going to do here is take your head off here. All right, so pay attention, come a little bit closer. Pay attention to this guy right here. So I'm going to take this wiper off. Let's get this out of the box first. All right, so this is how easy this is. So this is what the wiper blade look like. What you want to do is you want to lift this up a bit. Okay, let's pay attention to the back end over here first. Come closer here. What you want to do here is you want to grab this right here. You want to just like that. Just open it up. Then you should be able to lift this guy up just like that once you take that off. After that, you just yank it, okay? And then you want to hold it in this position right here. You want to stick this in just at that same position and lock it back in. Make sure your the window here glass is clean so the wiper can get a clean mating surface. Put it back down and let's pay attention to this guy right here. You take this really quick and you stick it on and that's it. You're done. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching. See you guys soon.